Imagine this. You walk into your coop early in the morning. It's quiet. Too quiet. One of your hens is lying still, wings drooping, eyes half closed. You think it's too late, but what if it isn't? In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what to do when a chicken is in critical condition. This is the 5-minute rescue protocol, a simple series of actions any keeper can perform at home. You'll also discover why chickens crash so fast, how to spot trouble before it's too late, how to support their recovery, and natural preventive strategies that can save you money, heartbreak, and lost birds. Stay until the end because I'll reveal a simple homemade remedy most owners overlook, but that often speeds up healing dramatically. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. It's always inspiring to see chicken keepers from all over the world. Chickens can go from healthy to critical in hours. Their small size, fast metabolism, and prey instincts mean they hide sickness until they're very weak. By the time you notice, the window for action is small. Heat stress, dehydration, egg binding, internal parasites, toxins from spoiled feed, respiratory infections, injuries from predators. Any of these can cause a rapid decline. Once shock sets in, circulation slows and organs start shutting down. Waiting to see what happens can mean losing her. Acting quickly and calmly gives you the best chance of success. The first key is recognition. Learn the early warning signs. Watch for a hunched posture with drooping wings, head tucked close to the body, rapid or labored breathing, gasping or wheezing, dull or sunken eyes, pale or bluish comb and wattles, a body that feels unusually cold, severe dehydration where the skin stays up when pinched, diarrhea, mucus, swelling, or limping. A chicken showing 2 or more of these signs is in serious trouble. Now let's walk through the 5-minute rescue protocol step by step. Step 1. Move the chicken to a safe, quiet, warm place away from the flock. Less stress means a better chance of recovery. A simple cardboard box lined with clean cloth or paper towels works. Keep noise and light low. Step 2. Rehydrate. Offer warm water mixed with electrolytes. If you don't have electrolytes, dissolve a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of sugar in a cup of water. This simple mix replaces lost minerals and energy. Use a syringe or dropper if she cannot drink on her own. A few drops at a time along the beak, letting her swallow, can save her from dehydration shock. Step 3. Stabilize her body temperature. Wrap her in a warm towel or use a low heat lamp, but avoid overheating. She should feel warm, not hot. In cold, whether you can place a covered hot water bottle under part of the box, so she can move closer or farther away as she chooses. In hot weather, provide shade, a cool damp cloth, or a fan for gentle airflow to avoid heat stress. Step 4. Give a small energy and immune boost. A spoon of soaked grains, a drop of honey or molasses, a little probiotic yogurt, or mashed boiled egg can provide quick energy. Add a dash of apple cider vinegar or garlic juice to her water for gentle gut and respiratory support. Step 5. Address visible problems. If there are wounds, clean them gently with a mild antiseptic or warm saline solution. For breathing issues, ensure fresh, clean air and remove dust or strong smells. Support the chicken upright so she can breathe easily. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, please pause for a moment to tap the like button and share this video with another chicken keeper. It's a simple way to help more people save their birds. These 5 steps should take only a few minutes. They don't replace veterinary care, but they often stabilize the bird long enough for professional help or full recovery. Once she is stable, keep her isolated and comfortable for at least 24 hours. Monitor her droppings, appetite, and energy. Continue offering fresh water and high-quality feed. Boost immunity naturally with good feed, clean water, vitamins, and herbal support such as garlic, oregano, or turmeric. These can help reduce inflammation and fight mild infections. Support recovery with gentle handling. Offer easily digestible food like scrambled egg, soaked pellets, or a mash of her normal feed. Check her weight daily. Look at droppings for signs of improvement. Gradually reintroduce her to the flock only when she's active and eating on her own. Now let's talk prevention. A clean, well-ventilated coop is one of your best defenses. Change bedding regularly. Keep feeders and waterers clean. Provide enough space so birds don't crowd or overheat. Make sure they have shade in summer and windbreaks in winter. Protect from predators and sudden scares that can trigger shock. Quarantine new birds for at least 2 weeks before adding them to your flock. Treat parasites promptly and rotate pasture if possible. Provide grit and calcium to keep their digestive and reproductive systems strong. For an extra layer of protection, keep a small poultry first aid kit on hand. Include electrolytes, syringes or droppers, antiseptic spray, clean towels, gloves, and a warm pad. Having these ready can save precious minutes in an emergency. Other chicken keepers have already used this protocol. One viewer's hen collapsed from heat stress. She followed these steps, and within an hour the bird was standing again. Another keeper waited overnight and lost a valuable layer. Knowledge and quick action make all the difference. And here's that simple homemade remedy I promised. Mix equal parts of warm water and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Add a small pinch of garlic powder. Offer a few drops along the beak after rehydration. This blend can gently stimulate the immune system and support digestion while your bird recovers. It isn't magic, but many backyard keepers swear it gives their hens a fighting chance. Remember, those first 5 minutes are critical. Now you know exactly what to do and how to prevent future crises. If this information helps you, tap the like button so more chicken keepers can find it. Subscribe for weekly poultry health tips and emergency care guides. In the comments, tell your own rescue stories or remedies you've tried, and let us know where in the world you're watching from. Your story might be featured in a future video. Stay prepared, act fast, and let your flock thrive.